If you like to go out camping or to sporting events or anything like that where you're going to be taking a chair with you and you're tired of these big chairs that have these straps that when you throw it over your back, you can feel the metal and it's just very uncomfortable, then you got to check out this really compact here camping chair. And this first, just check out how small and compact this actually is here. It has a little handle for carrying. This thing is super easy to take with you. If you're going to be putting it in your camper, your car, your trunk, anything like that, it does not take up a lot of space at all. And if you're going backpacking, anything like that, it has these molly panel straps here that you can easily put it and attach it right to your backpack. And it is really light here as well. All right, let's take a look inside. This is the whole chair, everything. Now, it might take a tiny bit more setup, but let me show you how easy it is. All right, first thing, snaps right into place. It actually goes together really quick. It's practically putting itself together here. This just slides right into here. This side has the same thing. I like it. It's very stable. Has a nice recline to it. I feel a lot of support here on the lower back. Take this neck pillow, easily attaches on, which is adjustable for your height, so you can put it right to your neck. Lean back. It's pretty comfy. This side has this nice pocket right here. It's a mesh pocket. Plenty of room for putting some snacks. This side has a cup or bottle holder here. One of the nice selling points of this chair is it kind of has a wider thigh area. So it can easily accommodate people of different sizes and you don't feel like you're being squished inward. Very easy to stand up from. So this is the way the chair looks here. So if you're going to be out camping, going backpacking at a sporting event, and you're looking for a new type of chair, I think this one is really great. Holds up to 330 pounds. This thing is super lightweight. I can lift this with my pinky finger without a problem. This thing is so lightweight, very easy to use, super comfortable. But for me, the biggest selling point on this, besides it being so lightweight, is if you are going to be going backpacking and you don't want to be carrying something really long, you want it compact, you want it super light, you're hardly even going to notice the weight of it at all, this is perfect. If you're going to be storing in your camper, or your trunk, and you don't want to take up a lot of space and you have multiple chairs, this takes up so little space, so easy to compact down. I think it's really great from those standpoints. So if you're checking out this chair, I think it works really well.